in the Linux, as mentioned, many users can log in. When you log in, initially is called the /home. It is actually part of the root directory. Linux has the main, which is /, that's the root, means the main administrator user. So home is one of the child of the root directory. So in the root, then your username and then your resources. Root means your username means all your resources, files and directory are stored on the your home directory by default. It's given by the Linux operating system, and you always log in here. When you log in, immediately you are here. And where is typically in the /home directory. Again, it is Linux given to you so you can organize your work. Disadvantage, if you try to create something outside of the home directory, it will just deny you, or it will ask you that you don't have the permission. Even if you try, it will ask you give me the root password, means administrative password, in order for Linux operating system to allow you to do that action. So anything you have to do from the home directory. To see the home directory, just type tilde, cd tilde. So let's do that.
So right now I'm in this Asia under the Bangladesh folder. So if I want to go to the home directory, I can just have cd, then this tilde sign and hit enter. So if I
That's it.
pwd,
You're literally on here.
see
So it shows here. So that's the command is very easy. So that's how you go to the home directory. That's it. Simple. And this is where everything happens for you. Okay. You'll be creating your files. You'll be creating the directory, creating the nested directory. All the good thing you'll be doing here for application deployment. Good. You can go and we can go to the next slide. Okay. So
we covered this, like the list, the directory, how we can see the information of the folder and
yes.
the file.
Yep. So can go back again. So let's show again.
Okay.
So yep. So you can do the ls. Good. So basically you can see the folder now. So you can create more folder, no problem at all. So basically you can list, ls means list, what you can display. But I want to cover this also. So all this command has a manual. Okay. So in the Linux, you just say the man space command name. Man means manual space command name ls. Hit enter. So that's the reason. Linux operating system, as being an IT professional, you don't need to memorize things. You need to understand things why you do this. So it has the in-depth. Even I don't know the shit. And I don't need to. That's not my job to memorize anything. I need to know what is this other parameter does. Whenever I need to use it, I will just read this and I will be using it. That's it. So ls has if you space -a, all. -a, all. You can type. And capital A, different thing. B, different thing. But the capital B, different thing. So in Linux, man space command name, it will tell you the entire details. How many parameters, how many functionality of the ls command will be giving you all the details by default. You don't need to buy it. You don't need to pay for it. It is already ready to go with the operating system itself. So always know the basic one, and then whenever you need to study, you can just study on this command. Thank you.